Hi everyone, welcome to Few Incredible Facts channel. As the name suggests, I'll be telling incredible facts, amazing facts, positive facts about cities, countries, culture, food, etc. My name is Vaishnavi and I'm sure we all are interested in knowing incredible facts, amazing facts about various cities, countries, people, their culture, their food, nature, space, etc. And therefore this channel. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'll be telling a few of many incredible facts about Konkan. Out of the 6 administrative divisions in the state of Maharashtra, Konkan is one of them. Konkan region mainly comprises Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg. It also includes Palghar, Thane, Mumbai city and Mumbai suburban districts. I've already made a video on incredible facts about Mumbai. Link in the description box. Here we'll see a few incredible facts about Konkan comprising Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg. Konkan means a part of land or earth in a corner. Kona is corner and Kan is land. The incredible fact is that the whole Konkan region is one huge coastline bound by the Arabian Sea on the west. There are numerous rivers, river islands, valleys, and the mighty Western Ghats. The first incredible fact is about Raigad. Raigad is known as the gateway to Konkan. There are many places of interest and incredible facts about Raigad district. Formerly known as Kolaba district but was renamed after this region became the capital of the mighty Maratha Empire. Talking about the Raigad fort, it is one of the biggest and strongest fort on the Deccan Plateau. One needs to visit this fort to truly understand the Maratha Empire. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj occupied this fort and also built many other structures. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj made this region, Raigad, his capital as soon as he ascended the throne in 1674. Statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is erected on the way to Jagdishwar temple. Samadhis of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his mother Rajmata Jizabai can be seen in Raigad. Raigad fort can be reached by a ropeway in just under 5 minutes. Besides the Raigad fort, there are also other places of interest like Nane Darwaza, Khublada Burj, Hathi Talav and Hirkani Burj. The next incredible fact is about Murud Janjira. The famous tourist spot on an island off the coast of Murud, Raigad district is located the Murud Janjira fort. The name of the fort is formed from 2 languages, Konkani and Marathi. The fort is situated on a huge oval-shaped rock. This fort was the strongest marine fort as it was impregnable because of its location. The incredible fact is that the 3rd largest cannon in terms of size and firepower in India is found here. It weighs approximately 20 tons. There are 3 cannons here which are the star attractions known as Chawri, Kalal Bangdi and Landa Kasm. One can approach this fort by boat from the nearby Rajapuri jetty. The next incredible fact is about Pen. Pen is famous for its Ganesha idols. The majority of Ganesha idols found in Maharashtra during the Ganesh Utsav festival comes from Pen. Pen gets its name from Penne, meaning resting place. Pen's history dates back to the Buddhist period. Being a port city, it had trade and commerce with many countries of the world, and hence it was a prosperous region. Pen is known for Ganesha idols. Lanes and lanes in Pen are involved in making Ganesha idols. The festival of Ganesh Utsav arrives somewhere between August and September, but idol making in Pen is a continuous process throughout the year. Isn't it an incredible fact? Pen has a papad or papadam making industry and quite a big one. Papad means very flat bread made from lentil flour and eaten with chutney or a dip. The incredible fact is that this industry is women dominated. Almost all the papad business is owned by women entrepreneurs. It is quite a big business not only in India, but papad is also exported to many parts of the world. Pane has been the center of salt production for centuries because of its location. Besides others, the Koli community is involved in the salt production business. A visit to Pane can give one an idea about the grand history as well as about the current trade scenario of this region. The next incredible fact is about Alibag. Alibag is known for its beautiful beaches. Historically, Alibag and its surrounding regions have been the home of Bene Israel Jews. They have been there for almost 250 years. Isn't it an incredible fact? Legend has it that a rich Bene Israelite farmer and businessman, Eli, who had mangoes, coconuts and cashew in his farm or garden, resided here, and his garden came to be known as Eli's Garden or Eli Chi Bagh in Marathi, and from there it ended up being called Alibag or Alibag as this region is currently called. This region also houses a synagogue. Another incredible fact is that there is a magnetic observatory to study geomagnetic fields. It is a part of the global network. This observatory is run by the Indian Institute of Geomagnetism. Being a coastal area, Alibag offers water sports like jet skiing, parasailing, and camel and horse rides, and much more. Bird watching can be done at Kihim Beach. For wildlife enthusiasts, Alibag is a paradise. Here, both vegetarian and non-vegetarian cuisines are available, and a variety of seafood is also available. Alibag is approximately 80 kilometers from Mumbai by road, and one can also take a ferry from the Gateway of India to Mandwa Jetty in Alibag. It's an hour's journey by boat. So, a visit to this place ensures all-around entertainment. The next incredible fact is about Kondana Caves. Kondana Caves are from the Buddhist period and are located near the village of Kondana, Lonavala. The incredible fact is that these caves were uncovered in the 1st century BC. One can observe the construction of wooden style decoration or pattern. A visit to these caves is a must while visiting Raigad in Konkan. The next incredible facts are about temples and sanctuaries in Raigad. One can see many temples in Raigad, and the notable ones are the Jagdishwar temple dedicated to Lord Shiva and renovated by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and Ganesha temples. It is said that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj visited Jagdishwar temple daily while he was in Raigad. Localites visit this temple daily for prayers and worship. Ballaleshwar temple, Pali. This temple is dedicated to Lord Ganesha and is one of the Ashtavinayak temples in Maharashtra. Ashtavinayaka means 8 Ganesha temples. The incredible fact here is that this is the only Ganesha temple known by the name of a Ganesha's devotee, Ballal. It is situated at Pali village in Raigad district. Varad Vinayak temple, Mahad. This temple too is dedicated to Lord Ganesha and is also one of the Ashtavinayak temples in Maharashtra. This temple was renovated by the Peshwa General Ramji Madhav Bevalkar in 1725. This temple is located in Mahad near Karzar. Fansad Wildlife Sanctuary. Besides the bird sanctuary at Kihim Beach, there is also a wildlife sanctuary known as Fansad Wildlife Sanctuary. This sanctuary is preserved by the government to save the ecosystem of the Western Ghats. This sanctuary is a wildlife lover's paradise. Many exotic birds and wildlife can be seen in the sanctuary. This sanctuary is located in Murud and Roha Taluka of Raigad district and is well connected by road. So these were a few incredible facts about Konkan. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel for part 2 of incredible facts about Konkan. Until next time, take care and stay curious.